Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and professional handymen. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the 10 best tools every handyman should have in their arsenal. Whether you're fixing up your home or tackling a big project, these tools will make your life a whole lot easier. Let's get started.
Number 1. Introducing the Pupil 12-foot telescoping gutter cleaner, your ultimate solution for gutter maintenance. This aluminum wand extends up to 12 feet, reaching most second-story gutters with ease. The adjustable nozzle offers 4 water flow options, from weak to strong, catering to various cleaning needs. Say goodbye to dangerous ladder climbs. Clean your gutters safely from the ground. The Universal American thread design fits most standard threaded tools and garden hoses, adding versatility to your toolkit. Cleaning gutters manually is time-consuming and risky, but this wand makes the process safe and efficient, saving you time and effort. Attach the wand to your garden hose, adjust the water flow, and enjoy hassle-free gutter cleaning. The Pupil Telescoping Gutter Cleaner ensures your gutters remain clear and free-flowing, maintaining your home's drainage system in top condition. Keep your home safe and spend your time on more important tasks. Number 2. Introducing the Klein Tools Extra Wide Adjustable Wrench, a must-have for any handyman or professional. This versatile wrench opens up to 1 7/16 inches, fitting heavy nuts and bolts up to 7/8 inches. Its handy 10-inch total length includes an 8-inch continuous taper handle, perfect for aligning bolt and rivet holes. Designed with a designated lanyard hole, it's compatible with the CAT. Number TT1 tether, ensuring you can work safely and securely. Forged from select alloy steel and made in the USA, this wrench is built to last. The precision machine jaws are individually chosen and assembled by hand, providing smooth and reliable operation every time. With an industrial finish that resists corrosion, the wrench stays durable and efficient even in tough conditions. Plus, the knurl turns smoothly, making adjustments easy and hassle-free. Elevate your toolkit with the Klein Tools Extra Wide Adjustable Wrench for superior performance and reliability. Number 3. Meet the ultimate tool for all your plumbing needs, the 11-inch strap wrench. This heavy-duty belt wrench is designed for unstoppable durability, made from high-quality chromium vanadium steel. It can handle even the toughest tasks with ease. Tired of tools that slip? This widened anti-skid teeth design ensures a secure grip, making disassembly and installation effortless. No more annoying slips during those critical moments. Plus, the 2-color dip molded handle is non-slip and oil-resistant, providing you with comfort and control for any job. The Z-Cage strap wrench features a thickened, wear-resistant belt that won't break easily, ensuring it lasts through countless projects. Whether you need to dominate tight spots with the 9-inch wrench or tackle larger tasks with the 11-inch version, this tool's got you covered. The adjustable strap fits various sizes of objects, offering incredible flexibility. Upgrade your toolkit with the 11-inch strap wrench and enjoy reliable, non-slip control and exceptional durability for all your plumbing projects. Get ready to take on any challenge with confidence. Number 4. Meet the ultimate in knee protection, the Sellstrom Ultra Flex 3 Knee Pro Knee Pads. Perfect for construction, gardening, roofing, and more. These knee pads are built for professionals who spend their days kneeling, crawling, or squatting. These knee pads feature a super hard outer plastic shell that's tough and durable, ready to take on any job. Inside, triple-layer, 3/4-inch thick, closed-cell foam padding provides unbeatable comfort and protection, ensuring you can work for hours without discomfort. Say goodbye to pressure on your knees with soft elastic woven straps that sit above and below the knee. These straps have a quick-attach speed clip, making them easy to put on and take off. Designed to fit both men and women, these knee pads are adjustable for a perfect fit. Thanks to the metal rivet hinge, you get flexible movement whether you're walking or kneeling. Plus, the non-marking grip strip means you can use them on any floor or surface without worry. Ideal for a range of professional uses, from flooring and tiling to landscaping and HVAC work. These knee pads are a must-have. And with the included mesh carry bag, taking them from job to job is a breeze. Get your hands on Sellstrom Ultra Flex 3 Knee Pro Knee Pads and enjoy top-notch protection and comfort for all your toughest tasks. Number 5. Introducing the Max Power 3 Pieces Rolling Head Pry Bar Set, the perfect companion for your prying needs. This set includes 3 rolling head pry bars in sizes ranging from 6 inches to 16 inches, ensuring you have the right tool for any job. Each pry bar features a high-leverage rolling head end, providing extra leverage to effectively separate objects. The curved end allows for prying in tight spaces, making it versatile and practical for various tasks. With a continuous tapered shaft, these pry bars ensure precise hole alignment, assembly, or welding. Made from forged alloy steel, they offer maximum strength and durability, capable of withstanding tough conditions. Plus, the corrosion-resistant black phosphate finish adds to their longevity. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, construction projects, or DIY tasks around the house, the Max Bauer Rolling Head Pry Bar Set is a reliable and indispensable addition to your toolkit. Number 6. Get ready to meet your new favorite tool, the iCrimp Wire Rope Crimping Tool. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, this tool is a game-changer for crimping aluminum oval sleeves, double sleeves, and loop sleeves ranging from 3/64 inch to 1/8 inch. The IWS 1608M model boasts 4 crimping positions, ensuring versatility for various sleeve types and sizes, including aluminum oval, double, and annealed copper sleeves. Made from high-carbon steel material, this crimping tool is heat-treated and polished to perfection, guaranteeing tight and clean compression while providing long-lasting durability. But that's not all. This crimping tool is designed with your comfort and ease of use in mind. The ergonomic handles feature non-slip grips, allowing for extra power transmission and less effort during operation. Plus, the rust-resistant coating ensures longevity, even after hundreds of uses. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or working as a professional, this tool is a must-have for your toolkit. For optimal results, we recommend using it with 2 hands, utilizing your body strength, or leaning against a stable surface for added stability and control. Say goodbye to struggling with inferior tools. Upgrade to the iCrimp Wire Rope Crimping Tool and experience precision and efficiency like never before. Number 7. Introducing the AFP Fall Protection Full Body Premium Safety Harness, a revolutionary solution for workplace safety. This harness is not just about safety, it's about comfort and convenience too. Experience unmatched comfort with thick premium vented breathable mesh plush pads that provide relief to your shoulders, legs, and back. No more chafing or sweat buildup, just pure comfort. The extra-wide 8-inch back support belt ensures major support and soothing comfort during lateral movements. Stand out with high-vis lime, stitching webbing throughout the harness for visibility and durability. Quick-release buckles and spring-activated shoulder adjusters make wearing and adjusting the harness effortless. Plus, the convenient buckle strap on the shoulder pad keeps your essentials close at hand. Reliability is paramount, with upgraded braided webbing designed for maximum strength and durability. Meeting industry standards and rigorously tested for compliance, this harness ensures your safety is never compromised. Trust AFP Fall Protection to bring you home safely. Elevate worker safety with this premium harness, designed to prioritize safety, comfort, and convenience. Number 8. Get ready to meet your new best friend on the job site, the 9-in-1 Framing Tools. This ingenious tool is about to revolutionize the way you tackle framing projects. Imagine achieving perfect square angles and consistent dimensions effortlessly. With this tool, you can. It's adjustable from 16-inch to 24-inch spacing, making framing a breeze for beginners and pros alike. Plus, it speeds up the process by a whopping 50%. That means you can get the job done faster and move on to your next project in no time. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision. Simply secure the tool to the top plate, insert your frames, and nail them securely into place. With manual fastening knobs on the top and sides, even uncommon wood types up to 2-inch thickness are no match for this tool. Crafted from aircraft-grade solid aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet incredibly durable, built to last a lifetime. And the ergonomic handle design ensures comfort, even during those long days on the job. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, the 9-in-1 Framing Tools are your go-to solution for quick, precise framing. Upgrade your toolkit and get ready to tackle any project with ease. Number 9. Say hello to your new best friend, the PVC deburring tool and chamfer tool. If you've ever struggled with plumbing projects, this tool is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Picture this. You're in the middle of a plumbing job, and you've got pipes of different sizes scattered everywhere. But wait, what's that? With this tool in hand, you can say goodbye to compatibility issues. It works with 7 pipe outer diameter sizes, ranging from 1 inch to 4 inches, making it a versatile solution for all your plumbing needs. But that's not all. This tool is designed to remove those pesky burrs and sharp edges from your pipes, ensuring a perfect fit with zero leaks or glue dipping. And trust me, that's going to save you a ton of time and money on maintenance in the long run. Crafted from high-strength anodized aluminum alloy, this tool is built to last. The hardened steel blade features dual sharp cutting edges that are reversible, sharpenable, and replaceable, giving you precision and durability with every use. Using the tool is a breeze. Simply snap the pipe into the groove, turn the chamfer by hand, and voila! You've got a perfect 18 degrees external chamfer. Plus, for those hard-to-control larger pipes, you can use a ratchet for added convenience. Compact, portable, and easy to use, this tool is a must-have for any plumber's toolbox. So whether you're tackling a plumbing project indoors or outdoors, make sure you've got the PVC deburring tool and chamfer tool by your side. Trust me, you won't want to tackle another plumbing job without it. Number 10. Get ready to meet your new best buddy, the iCrimp F2098 Ratchet One-Hand PX Cinch Clamp Fastening Tool. If you're working with PX piping systems, this tool is an absolute game changer. Imagine being able to create secure stainless steel pinch clamp connections with just one hand. That's right, with this tool, you can clamp 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch stainless steel PX clamp rings onto PX tubing, ensuring a watertight seal every time. But here's the best part. You can do it all with just one hand. That means you can keep your other hand free to hold a flashlight, a ladder, or even another pipe. Talk about convenience, right? And don't worry about your connections coming loose. This tool won't release from the clamp ring until a properly secured connection has been made. Plus, it's factory calibrated and meets ASTM F2098 standards, so you can trust that your connections are solid. Whether you're working in tight spaces like manifold installations or tackling undercloset potable water plumbing, this tool is your go-to solution. Say goodbye to complicated connections and hello to easy, reliable sealing with the iCrimp F2098 Ratchet One-Hand PX Cinch Clamp Fastening Tool. Trust me, you won't want to tackle a PX project without it.